Hello everybody, welcome to your channel Echo Engineering. In this video I'm going to show you how I programmed the grid strategy by using MQL5 language. In several videos ago I explained you how this strategy works and we backtested together, and as I promised I'm going to show you the whole code step by step in this video and leave you the link to download this expert advisor in the description. But please do not forget that this code is only written for educational purposes and it's not tested. Do not use it in your real account, and try to write your own code, because I believe that you can do it even more efficient and much better than my code here. And again, the whole purpose of this channel is on programming and algorithmic trading. Do not forget to watch the complete tutorial video for algorithmic trading to learn it, because without algorithmic trading and being able to backtest your strategies, I believe you cannot be constantly profitable. I also leave you the video for the descriptions of this strategy at the top of this video. Please watch it too. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay with me to the end. So how I wrote this code: when we run this expert advisor, at the beginning, the first tick, it define a new variable named balance level, and the value of this balance level would be equal to ask price. And 300 points below, it define a low level. This variable, the name is low level, and it is 300 points below the balance level. And 300 points above the balance level, it define new level named high level. So now the price fluctuate, and for example it increases and it hit the high level. When it hit the high level, several things happen. First of all, we close the earliest by order. We know it because in the video regarding the grid strategy, we defined how this grid strategy works. And then it open a new buy order and open a new sell order. We knew already these three steps because we explained it before in the previous videos, but three important things happen after that. What would be that? The new balance level, we define new balance level. The new balance level would be equal to ask. Ask in this point is here. So now the new balance level would be here. We define new low level, which would be 300 points below the balance level. So the new low level will be here, and we define new high level, which is 300 points above the balance level, and new high level will be here in this point. Now again, the price, for example, fluctuate, and at the end it goes down and hit the low level. When it hits the low level, then again we close the earliest sell order, we open a new buy order, and we open a new sell order. The new balance level would be asked. This balance level will be transferred to this point. The new low level would be 300 point below the new balance, and it would be here. And the new high level would be 300 points above the new balance level, so it would be here. This is how I wrote this code, and we go to the metacode language editor here. This is how I wrote it. We don't need this one. I just delete it. The first parts are the properties. Then we define a trading include. We call it, because we want to use the C-trade algorithm. We want to use C-trade class. If you don't know how this C-trade class works, I leave you the link to the video here. You can watch it again. And then I define several variables. The first variable is the grid distance point. The initial value is 300. We can change it anytime that we want. Its type is integer. Then we define a double high grid level at the variable, double low grid variable, double balance grid variable, and then the lot size. The lot size would be 0.01. Then an init. What does this an init function do? At the beginning of the running this XP Advisor, it calculates the ask price, bid price, and it initializes the balance grid, high grid, and low grid. They are the levels. In the PowerPoint, I call them high level, low level, and balance level. The high level would be equal to ask, and the high level or high grade will be calculated through this function, and low grade will be calculated through this next low grade function. These are the functions that I defined them here, these two functions. Next high grade, next low grade, we calculate them like that. The next high grade would be entry point plus point distance multiplied points, and the next lower grade would be entry point minus point distance multiplied by points. It's very easy. We just initialize the balance grid and high grid and low grid, all of them here. Then the main body of our function is here, which would be run for each price tick. First, we have a comment just like that. This comment says the total open positions are equal to this variable. Then we define a structure named time structure. What is a structure? Actually, a structure is a combination of several variables. For example, here at the beginning of the code, the first variable is integer, the second variable is double, the third variable is double. We can define a structure that combine all of these variables. If I double click on this MQL data, the data time, and press F1, we can see this structure, and we can see that this structure has several variables. The first one is the year, and it is integer, month, day, and to the end of which would be the day of year. But here, all of them are integer, but they can be any different combinations of data types, like double integers, strings, all of them together. They can have all of them. Then we use this part to just have a time structure because I want to do calculation based on the time. But please remember that these 3 lines of the code plus this one are written because I want to close all open orders when it is Friday. But you don't need it. I can just ignore them by like that, and here like that too, and here like that. But it's very important because you please learn it, double click on it, and see how this MQL datetime structure works. But I have not explained it yet, so I don't want to go into it. But you can check it, and it's very important. Then again, at the beginning of each ticks, price tick, we define ask and bid again. And when the ask is greater than high grade, we close the oldest buy order, we open a buy order, we open a sell order, we define new balance level, and we define new high level, and we define new low level. And if bid is less than low level, we close the oldest cell, we open a buy order, we open a sell order, we define new balance level, we define new high level, and we define new cell level. This is a function, you don't have it, close oldest by, but you can use it. I wrote it by myself. This is close oldest cell, and this is close oldest by. They are the functions. You normally don't have them. You should use mine. And here, using this trading.by, as I mentioned before, you should watch the video for C trade class. I leave you the link in the descriptions too. And this next high grade calculator function, we have them here too at the bottom of this code for all of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, it may be a little complicated, and it seems a little complicated, but it's not. It's very easy. Just pause the video or watch the code itself. Try to write it by yourself, because when you write it by yourself, you will learn. This is the only way that you can learn, by writing, and backtest it too. And you will see that you were reach the same results that I reach. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you liked it. And by doing so, you will help us to be introduced by a YouTube algorithm to those who are interested in these topics too. I wish you a good day. Have a good day. Bye.